Plants play a crucial role in the ecological system as being the foundation of an ecosystem. They are producers, organisms that create food from inorganic matter by converting water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to sugar. This process is commonly referred to as photosynthesis. The energy from this system is consumed by the consumers and transferred through the trophic system. The life cycle of a tree begins when its seed germinates in the soil. Some trees, like Jeffrey pines, have pine cones, which are their fruits with 2 seeds in its wooden protective scales. If it survives the battle against nature and can grow to at least 3 feet tall, it becomes a sapling, its teenage phase. And if it survives for a while as a sapling, it has a good chance of having a long lifespan. Though, a sapling is still vulnerable with its smooth, thin bark and flexible trunk. Once it begins to produce fruit, it has become a mature tree. This transition could range from a few years to a few decades. Every growth season, a tree adds a new layer of wood to its trunk and limb. The tree will continue to produce fruit for many years or decades before it enters the last stage of its life, the snag stage. This stage is when the tree is dying or dead and is very important to the forest ecosystem, providing habitat for animals and returning important nutrients back to the soil. Foresters measure forest health because it supports a diversity of species, helps to store and filter water, improves air quality, stores carbon, and performs other vital ecosystem services. When trees die, foresters look at the tree's rings, which show patterns of change in the tree's life, as well as changes in the area where it grows. This means you can determine the age of a tree by counting its layers or rings. Plants are very important to us and the environment, and we should make sure they are around for future generations. To learn more about what tree rings tell us about the environment, go to GalenaCreekVisitorCenter.org/learning resources.